I'm looking at this sailboat in dry dock. Actually, on the hard is another term. But I'm looking at the rudder on this sailboat, and I can see all of that brown mess there on the rudder. Then looking down on the ground, I can see some more brown stain on the ground. So first you want to think that's an oil spill, but then let's go back up here and look at this, and I'll touch it. And you can see all of the filth and the funk on my fingers, and it's wet. So where is all of that water coming from, understanding that this boat has been hard on land since winterization? Let's look up here at the top, and you can see where the rudder itself is delaminated. So water is going in that breach in the fiberglass into the core. You can see the fiberglass open, the wooden core, and it's coming all the way down. There's another crack or a breach, and it's coming all the way down the rudder, and then it is leaking out here at the bottom. So this is a problem that needs to be addressed before the boat is launched. If this is not addressed, and you can see that you've got the delamination and the structural integrity of the rudder is violated, that the rudder could actually break off at the rudder post, leaving this boat rudderless, and you cannot steer. So whenever you haul a boat, you want to check everything, including fiberglass rudders, or you might have a breach or a delamination. If you have any questions about boatyard work, maintenance on your own, remember, ask Captain Chris.